When the project is handover from the S site module, that will comes under the service module. Click on the contract management. Under the sites, system will generate one default block for that particular unit or site. Click on that site name. You can see whatever the details we have added in the sales module, that all details will fetch over here. Also, if you want to make any changes, that we can change. Now I am adding site code as JTP like this. Then save. Also you can see system generate one equipment ID for that particular site. You can see the address. Under the blocks you can see system will generate one default block for that particular site. If you want to add any another block, that we can add from the add new record. Under the list you can see system will generate one default unit for this particular site, and if you want to add the any third party list, that we can add from the plus button, enter all the details and insert. Like this we can add the third party list. And if we want to add the attached turn on lift, means we have added the lift for the installation, that lift we can attach from here. Click on attach turn on lift, search for the opportunity and select that lift from here and save. Like this we can add the lift also, as I have added over here. If we want to check the specifications, that we can check from the specs. Whatever the specs we have added for this particular lift, that we can check from here. If we have uploaded any document for this particular unit inside the site module, that all document will shown over here. And if you want to add any particular document, that also we can upload it from here. If you want to add contacts for that particular site, that we can add it from here, from add new record. Then save. If we want to add the route, then click on add new route, select the organization, select the sales office and enter the route name which we want to add. Select the description, add as an abbreviation as well. Select the sales group, as I am adding under Pune SG. Select the cost center as in CC17 and then save. Here assign one supervisor for this particular route. Add supervisor, mark as a main employee and save. Also we need to add product for this particular route. Then select and save. Like this we can create route. If you want to see the routes we have added, then click on search button and search for the organization. Then you can see the routes we have added. Like this you can add the routes. Under the contract, whatever the unit we have added, for that system generate one free maintenance, as we have added that leap from the sales to site and site to service module. As you can see, system have already generated one free maintenance for that particular lift. Now here we need to select end date. Like this we can create the contract, select the billing type, select the payment mode, select the calendar period type. Depending on that calendar period time, system will generate the payment schedule. Select the price code and enter the task code. Task code means if we want to add the service for this particular lift, or if you want to give the service for one service in 1 month, in that case select the one service in 1 month. If we want to give the service in 2 months, then select one service in 2 months. Like this, we can select from drop down. Then just save. You can see the customer details fetch directly over here as we have added this customer from the sales module. Here you can see the lift is also added for this particular contract. If you want to add any attachment for this particular contract, any signed copy or any another document for this particular related to the particular contract, that you can upload it from here. Then generate the document, create document. This document you can send it to customer. This is the standard formatted document. As this is for the free maintenance contract document, price is showing as 00. Then select the contract item and just mark is an active. Like this we can make the active contracts. Also, if you want to add any particular contract for any particular site, that also you can add it from here. Just click on add new contract, enter all the details, enter the customer details, enter the item, add the item list and generate the document. Like this you can add the contract as well. Also, if you want to check the reports, under the list reports you can check for. If you want to check the main reports, that equipment by detail listing or equipment by status report, you can see all the details regarding the equipment and the contract under this equipment by status report. Then just click on to Excel report, select the organization. Firstly, add the organization and then click on to Excel. Like this, you can download the equipment by status report. In that you will get all the details regarding organization, building name, address and concerned person, bill to customer and account number, what is the NIS unit contract number, building unit status, what was the route, product name. You will get all the details under the equipment by status report regarding this particular unit. Also, if you want to check contract related, also you can check for contract detail listing. If you want to check the report regarding all contracts, that you will get the contract detail listing in this report. Like this you can check for all the reports. List of building units, if you want to check for building units, that report you can get under the list of building units report. Like this you can check for multiple reports. Also under the dashboard you can check for the callback ticket regarding activity. Also you can see month wise call registered. Also you can check for the contract type wise units. Like this you can check the dashboard as well.